Hello friends and welcome to Rampa Ratu's kitchen. The recipe that I'm sharing with you today is for a green gram curry. Tasty and packed with vegetable protein, this side dish is best served with rice, chapatti or puttu. Let's have a look at the ingredients. I soaked 100 grams of dried green gram overnight. Here you see the 100 grams of green gram that has been hydrated. We'll be using these hydrated green gram to make the green gram curry. I have a container that is called an uruli in Malayalam on the stove. Let's transfer the hydrated green gram into the uruli. Then add enough water into the uruli for the green gram to cook. Once that's done, turn the stove on at high. Then add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, followed by 1 large onion chopped, and 3 green bird's eye chillies that have been chopped. Now let's give all this a good stir and allow the water to come to a boil. When the water starts boiling, reduce the flame to medium. Add salt to taste and then leave the green gram to boil until it is cooked. When the green gram is cooked to your satisfaction, reduce the flame to low. Then lightly mash the green gram with a potato masher. Be careful not to mash the green gram into a pulp. Just mash it here and there. After which you can let the green gram cook for about a minute or so. Then you can turn the flame off and remove the uruli from the fire. Then replace the uruli with a small wok or pan and turn the flame on at low. Then pour 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil heats up, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and wait for the seeds to crackle. Then add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and 5 cloves of garlic that have also been chopped. Saute both the garlic and ginger until they become a light brown in color. When the ginger and garlic turn fragrant and a light brown in color, turn the stove off. You then return the uruli with the cooked green gram back onto the stove and turn the stove on at medium. You then add the sauteed ginger and garlic to the cooked green gram. Give everything a stir and let the curry come to a boil on a medium flame. Then check for salt and add more salt if necessary, after which you reduce the flame to low and you then add about 3 tablespoons of thick coconut milk. My coconut milk is quite thick because it was in the fridge, so I am adding a little water. Then stir and leave the coconut milk to come to a boil. When the coconut milk comes to a slow boil, add a small handful of fresh coriander leaves. Then increase the flame to medium, stir and let the curry cook until it reaches the consistency that you want. Turn the stove off when the curry reduces to the consistency that you want. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again with another video, stay safe. Bye.